Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be, sorry, I gotta sweep some grass off of here. Oh well, sorry for the shaky camera. Also, sorry for background noises and all that stuff, you know. And today I will be showing my slime, like slime collection video. So yeah, let's get started. The first one is a green grass slime, which I accidentally dropped in the grass. And I'm playing with it inside of the container. Actually, I'll go get my thingy. Just a second, guys. You can just look at that slime for a minute. I'm just going over here. Here is the big guns. No, I'm kidding. Take that out of the way. And I use this. Sorry, guys. Wrong side. That's what I make slime on. Like, I'll show you. So, here's the slime in the container. And, okay, I got some more time. It's called, oh yeah, I told you, grass slime. This is what I made in my last video, and yeah. I'm sorry I didn't post yesterday. It was because I had softball practice. And yeah. And here's the swirl. And that's my final thing for this slime. I'm just gonna put that swirl in the container because that's a really good swirl. Anyways, let's get on to the next one. Next one is a bubblegum slime. It's a really pinky peachy thingy. Did you hear? Bubble slime? Bubblegum slime, not bubble slime. Sorry. Okay, so here. Not a bubble slime, guys. Sorry. You can actually see the pink out here though, because like when I tried to do it inside, you could only see it like white. So yeah, ASMR time. It does not really do good bubbles, but it does do good practice. I'll show you. And it's what I showed you. So yeah. I'm just going to do ASMR. Now this is my final finale swirly early. I don't know why I just called it that. But anyways, yeah. Okay, that was a bad one to end on. I'm going to do that again. Okay, yeah. It's already been 2 minutes, I know. Like this whole time I've been talking, which is really, really annoying to me. Like, to me talking is annoying to me. So, yeah. Sorry, guys. It's taking a really long time to get the little... that one's a bad one, but it's okay. I will end on that one because it's taking too long. Where is that really good? Okay, guys. Next one! It's in this big one, you know. Okay, guys, I tried to make this orange for peach slime, and the colors red and yellow are still in it, which it made it pretty orangey. So yeah, sorry for the background noise again. Here's the peach slime. It's not very big. It's not a very big slime, so I keep it in the big container. Okay, it's stuck all over the lid. And why is this like flying on my nose? I'm sorry, I'm not doing it inside. I'm not allowed to have slime inside. Don't ask why. Probably because I tried to make it without glue one time and it got all over the place. That was when I was first a slimer. Like, first I love slime. But like, who got me into slime is this channel, just Ameerah. And guess what? Like, she makes really good slime. I'll put her link in the description below. You can go check her channel out. So yeah. Because I really like her channel. So yeah, oh my. Like, yeah, not yesterday. The day before yesterday, I put a link in the description below for my friend's channel, and you should really go check that out. I'll put that in the description down below too. And here's my raspberry slime, which, yeah, it's a raspberry slime. That's all you really gotta say about that. So yeah, oh, my mom's coming home, so yeah. This is a very pokey, like, putty thingy majigger. So yeah. It's kind of like putty. It doesn't really stretch, but it actually stretches a lot for a homemade putty. So yeah. I'm outside right now. So yeah. Oh my gosh, it keeps ripping for my throat. Okay, here's the final finale swirl. Final finale swirl. There's my final finale swirl. And the last one, finally, which you guys all been waiting for, the clear grass slime. The other grass slime. And here it is. It's supposed to be clear right now, but it's not, because I gotta let it clear up. But I'll probably keep you updated on it. So yeah. And yeah. Oh, and I'll put my other friend's link in the description below. Her channel is Kinley B. You should definitely go check her channel out. And yeah. That was it for my slime collection. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you like it, you should give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. And yeah, bye guys. See you in my next video.